Hi guys, so it's like 8:30 right now. We're about to leave for Texas. I don't know how to intro this video. So I guess I never really talked about this trip at all. I told you guys about it, and it's really dark right now. I'm gonna go see some of my family. I'm gonna vlog all of it hopefully, so that see how this goes. We're at Chick-fil-A right now. We are about 7 minutes into our road trip. It's raining right now. I washed my car yesterday. Kind of unfortunate, but we're gonna get some breakfast and then hit the highway. Almost passing into Texas. We're literally on the bridge. We're on the river.
And there's a spooky bridge, I think.
We're on the river that connects. Here we go. Here we go. We're in here. We're in the middle right now.
We are.
We're
There's
in the middle.
river.
Here we go. Welcome to Texas.
Welcome to Texas.
There you go.
Welcome to Texas.
Hot damn, we're in Texas, guys. We are about 54 miles from Allen, Texas, which is where we're gonna stop. I believe there's an In-N-Out burger there. So we're gonna get some of that. Hey, we're going to Austin first, and then we're making our way to Houston. We're gonna go meet Travis Scott, hang out with him for a little bit, and then yeah, that's kind of what's going on. Hi guys. So it's now.
Show them my sticker on my Chromebook.
It's now 1:07. There's your sticker. Prosperous Collection. If you don't know what that is, it's a clothing company that I kind of have. It's kind of in the works right now. But we're going, or I guess we're in Allen, Texas right now. We're going into In-N-Out to get some food. Are you excited? Kaylee doesn't like In-N-Out, so I'm making her eat it. I don't know how she doesn't like it.
Because it's average.
What?
It's just very average.
What do you think though?
It's very average, and I think Whataburger is way better.
Yeah, I don't know if I can put that one in the video. I really like In-N-Out. This one was pretty good. I'm sorry if she said that. She probably offended a lot of you guys. Oh yeah. Yeah, okay guys. We're back in the car. We're like 3 hours away from Austin, so we got a little bit. And that was pretty good. She would probably disagree, but we're about to be in the car for a little bit. I'll update you guys if anything dope happens.
No, I will.
I will. Okay guys, we're finally here after, I don't even know how long, I don't even want to know, close to 8 hours or so, I don't know, something like that. We're finally here. What's up guys? So it is now 4 o'clock. The next day, I didn't record anything this morning. Nothing really happened. I mean, we woke up, went to some lunch, and that's about it. I've been working for a couple hours now. So I think we're about to go hop in my car, go to the mall or something. I don't know, some shopping center. So we just got out of H&M. It's not Kaylee's favorite store. It's just so weird vlogging in public. We're going to
say it's my favorite store.
Yeah, I was joking. We're going back to my car now. I'm gonna go to Starbucks and then head back to my uncle's house.
That's
Oh yeah?
Oh, we're actually doing that?
That was a pretty quick trip. We got a couple things. I don't even know. She got cardigan, or what's that thing called?
I got a ring.
She got a ring.
And I got a little sweater.
And a little sweater. Yeah. So now we're about to go to Starbucks. We're gonna have sushi tonight at this pretty fancy place. I don't know, my uncle booked it. Should be a lot of fun. Yay. I just kind of woke up. I'll talk to you guys in a second. So I realized after I shot the last clip, I forgot to kind of talk a little more. I'm currently on the way to get some lunch, breakfast, I don't know, whatever you want to call it. It's currently 12:30, but we're getting breakfast with one of my homies. I didn't really get a chance to talk like I said. I'll have a whole probably 20K video. I might throw it in this video, but I'll probably have like a sit down one where I talk about some stuff and thank you guys once I get back from the trip. But for right now, guys, thank you so much for 20K. I mean, it's crazy. I can't thank you guys enough. It's honestly like mind-blowing. I know I say that every time I hit like something, like 10K or whatever, I said that, but it's honestly crazy, guys. Thank you so much. I have an alarm going off. My cameraman, aka my girlfriend's gonna stop it. Thank you guys so much. Thank you.
Are you serious?
If he wins,
That'd be a good ass video.
Hunter, why did
I don't think I have time.
Right before you hit the spot, I believe, yeah.
Yeah, see, like, that's embarrassing. But
Are those the lows?
yeah.
I love the lows. I like the lows.
Oh, so I can't see Jordan.
Imagine, right after I hit the 100 and you guys. I thought that was it. I was like, what the hell? I was like, no.
I was like, wait.
Alright guys, so we're at the second store now. I just saw the last store. I almost kind of won. I was close. So now we're about to pull up in this other store. They have another like, what's it called? KeyMaster here that I might play. Anything you want to say?
Nope. There's cute dogs at the last one. I hope there's some here.
She likes the dogs. Alright guys, so unfortunately my camera after this point, I don't know what happened, the footage got corrupted. I don't really know what happened, honestly. So I'm back home now, obviously. This is a couple days later. So this is the end of the video. If you guys did enjoy the video, be sure to leave a like down below. Let me know what your favorite part was. Next episode, it should be back on track. I didn't record a lot of footage. You guys will see that for the next episode. But it definitely is a really good episode. You guys see me cop with my new sneaker bot. So you guys will see that. I'm trying to make this kind of fast. My camera's about to die. But if you guys did enjoy this episode, please be sure to leave a like down below, like I said. If you guys haven't already, be sure to follow my Twitter, my Snapchat, my Instagram. Shoot me a DM if you guys have any questions. Bear with me. I'm trying to get through all of them. There's quite a few of them. But I hope you guys did enjoy this episode. I'm UnlimitedCop, and I'm out.
City without running shoes. You ain't gotta wonder who. All these rappers sound the same. Damn, there is a ton of you. I just smirked the competition, did it right in front of you. Before I even learned to count, I kept it 100.